we've seen how to add vectors, but what happens if we want to subtract vectors? How do we deal with that? So what we're trying to do here is to just come up with some meaning for vector A minus vector B, given that vector A is going that way and vector B is going in that direction. From your knowledge of algebra, you know that vector A, to subtract something, it is exactly the same as adding the negative of it. So that applies also to vectors. To subtract a vector, we just add the negative of the vector. But if this is vector B, what does the negative of vector B look like? And it is nothing more than the same length vector, but going in the opposite direction. And so when we want to add negative B, we simply do the head to tail method as we've done before, and we add the negative of the vector. So vector B is going up this way, so negative vector B will be going in the opposite direction. We've just moved them to line up head to tail. So that gives us a resultant then of starting at the start of A and finishing at the end of negative B. And we could call that vector C. So that's all that's involved with subtraction of vectors, is just to add the negative.